Want to make cool stuff? Welcome to Think and Tinker Studio. We're building robots, kitchen, science, and epic crafts. Let's create, learn, and make a little mess. Hit subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double chain. The supplies you're going to need is some colored beads, a keychain ring, scissors, only under adult supervision, and some string. You can use elastic if you want to, but you don't have to. It will still work without elastic. First, you're going to want to fold your string in half like this. And then you're going to take any colors of choice. I'm going to do multicolored, but you can do whichever colors you want. And once you've done this much, you can tie a knot like this. And then you can correct its shape if it's not like supposed to be like this. For example, it shouldn't look like that. At the very beginning, it should look like this. It's more normal for that to happen in the very beginning. And then I'm gonna put more beads on. And then tie a knot again. And then it's sort of gonna be kind of like a normal bracelet chain, except instead of 2 beads, it's 1 bead, and you're tying lots of knots. I'm gonna take some more colors. You could also make it into a keychain ring, a bracelet, or a decoration. I'm gonna make mine into a keychain. Now I'm gonna do white and pink. And it's also very normal for it to twist like this. And that's what I really like about it. Now I'm gonna do blue and red. And then you can stop at any time. I'm gonna stop right now so I can do the ring. And then you're gonna take your scissors and then cut it, but you're gonna want to have a little bit remaining, probably like an inch. And then take your keychain ring, and you're gonna wanna pull one side and then put both of them in. And you're gonna want to make sure that your beads are very tight. And then slide it through. Sometimes it's hard. I'm gonna try to take one of them, just one, and then slide it. And then with this one, you're gonna wanna pull it up tight and then cut the other one, but not all the way down from the bottom. Probably like a centimeter remaining. Like that. And then tie this one if you want. Or you could just cut it. And it's also very easy, and also the beads come off very easily. So I think you should tie a knot on the ending. Right. And then you can cut the remaining part. And then you have a double-sided keychain. I can't wait to put this on my backpack. I'm so excited.